catch a bugger.
Just a big booty.
He's a stinker.
It's a bird brain. Guy.
Are you gonna come?
Room here, I have a TV in it.
Where?
In my room here.
No way.
Yeah.
You want to see it?
Where's your room?
It's in the cabin.
Oh.
I'll show you where it is.
Wow. Yeah, let's catch this stinker fish though. He stole 3 of our worms. Or 4.
5, 6.
6 worms? Oh my goodness. That's too many.
Lots of fishes under there.
Show him how to fish, Christian.
You got it. Oh, Johnny.
Did you get it?
What?
You know what? There in the water.
Do you want me to put him in the water? Okay.
We want to check.